Hi dear students, today we are solving the PSB, that means the subjective section of the ISI MSTAT 2024 गर्मा गर्म एग्जाम हुआ है तो मैंने सोचा सारा सॉल्व ही कर देते. So 4 number question, suppose x and y are uniformly distributed over the region and this is given. So calculate PDF of mod x plus y. So this you need to calculate. So find the density function PDF of x. We need to determine the joint probability distribution PDF of x and y, given that g of x y is uniformly distributed over the region hai, so we know that the joint PDF of the region is in constant, so ye aa jayega f of x y small y c and 0 f x y is in the given region, and this is otherwise. So to find the value of c, we integrate the joint PDF over the region and set it equal to 1. Okay, so this is the thing. So f of xy dx dy equal to 1. So it's like 0 to 1 and minus 1 plus y to 1 minus y. And this value will be c. Okay, so c is outside 0 to 1. Let's put the values. Don't worry, यहाँ पूरा कर दूँगा. Minus 1 plus y. I get to hear a lot, sir, you don't finish up the question. It's actually normal numericals. I don't feel like solving anything. Okay, ये तो ऐसे केसेस में जहाँ पर थोड़ा सा भी पेचीदा चीज़ होने का चांस है, मैं हमेशा सॉल्व कर देता हूँ आप लोगों में. So c ये 2 आएगा, 2c equal to 1, c equal to half. So the joint PDF of f of xy is half and 0. So when x is positive, mod x plus y equal to x plus y. When x is negative, तब भी ये थोड़ा चेंज हो गया, ऐसा आएगा. So let's compute this separately. So f of mod x plus y क्या होगा भैया? So this is like 0 to 1 minus t f of xy. तो t minus y into y dy लग जाएगा. तो 0 to 1 minus t half dy हो जाएगा. तो half 1 minus t, ये पहला. अब for the case when x is negative, if x is negative में क्या होगा? 0 to 1 minus t minus f of xy y and dy. ये करेंगे 0 to 1 minus t आ जाएगा half dy, so half of 1 minus t. तो यहाँ पर ये फंक्शन आ गया, दोनों में यहाँ पर 1 minus t if 0 less t less 1 and 0 otherwise. तो चलिए, this represents the triangle shape distribution with a base of 1 and height of half. And that's the end of this question. This is a number which is your important questions or any other key things or class related queries.